Hello, today I will give you 5 tips to make your life a lot easier with your scooter. And in this video I will show you how. This is the trick number 1 that will help you with your scooter. You can use a Sharpie or you can use some nail polish. This one is black color. Many of the frame of the G-Way 6 scooter or a lot of scooters, they are in black. So if you see a scratch on the frame or any places that is black, you can use a nail polish that is black, or you can use a Sharpie. So if you have a scratch on your center stand or even on the frame of your scooter, not on the exhaust system, because the exhaust system is really hot, but you can use a nail polish that is black or a marker to cover any scratches that you have on your frame. Now just make sure you clean the top of your right here nail polishing. Make sure you have a nice black color, and you can cover the part that is scratched, you know, and you can just lightly buff it later to make sure it's going to match the color of your scooter and the frame of your scooter. Now this one is going to be slightly a little more shiny, a little clear color, and it's going to have a little more reflecting color. So you can just lightly buff it or color the whole thing. But if you like, you can also use a spray paint. By spray paint, you might spray paint also the plastic of your scooter, so you have to be careful. But if you want to do something easy, something fast, this one will protect your scooter from rust at the moment, before you're going to fix the scooter or your paint in a different way than it's going to be in a longer term. At this point, we're going to go to the next tip and hack that is going to help you to make your life a lot easier with your scooter. And this is trick number 2. This is a soda can. You can crush a soda can if you have to park in a location where the floor is kind of soft and your side stand will sink when you place your side stand on the floor. So with this one, you're just gonna crush this one and you're going to make a wider space for the side stand. So you just place your foot and you crush the can to make sure you make it nice and flat. Make sure you're not going to do this with your flip-flops, okay? So make this one a nicer flat can, so you can place your side stand of your scooter so in the way that your side stand will not sink in places where it's wet or where it's dipping down. You just raise this one and you place the little can underneath and you place the stand on the top. So at this point your scooter will not sink when it's wet or the ground is too soft. So at this point your scooter will stand up. This one is trick number 2. This one is trick number 3 for your scooter. If you have a trunk on your scooter, you can place from a dollar store a little light inside the trunk of your scooter. Plus you need some battery. This one has AAA battery. Now this one will help you on a night time if you like to find things inside the trunk of your scooter. Now with this light, also when you open the trunk of your scooter, people will see you if you stop on the side of the street. With this light you will have a better life with your scooter. Okay, right here you have the trunk. Right here we have this little light that you can buy at the dollar store for just $1. So this one will help you out to see a nighttime inside your trunk with just $1. Now you also have to buy the battery. You're only going to need 3 of them, this AAA battery. And what you're going to do, you're just going to open the back part right here and you can place the battery inside here. Okay. If you look, there is one side that is positive, one side that is negative. Okay, just make sure you squeeze them in there, right here. Make sure you push them and make sure you place the positive part and the negative part where it's supposed to go. Now if you see, this one is working. Now just going to press this one right here. You're going to put this one right here, and this one is a little hack or tips that you can use on your scooter, and you can remove the back part right here that's a little more sticky. Okay, if you like, you can add some crazy glue or Gorilla double tape or extra double tape around here, but this one just like that should be working fine. Now you can place this one right here in the center part of your trunk. Now when you open at night time, you can see you have a light inside there. So this one is something really easy to have, and plus when this one is going to stay up, people will see you with the scooter, so it will be also a safety device for you when you open your trunk. Now just close this one, and we close this part right here. And this one is tip number 3 for you. The next tip that I will show you is how to clean the front part of your scooter when you have a lot of bugs. The best thing you can do, grab the bucket, put a little water, okay, a little bit of water, little dish soap, just a little bit dish soap. We're going to shake it and bake a little bit. Make sure we're going to have a few little bubbles of soap, and at that point we're going to get a dryer sheet. The dryer sheet, they're very good because they are gentle with your scooter. So if you have bags on the front side of your scooter, if you want to clean, the best thing is a dryer sheet. So you don't want to scratch the plastic of your scooter. So you're just going to make a little bit of bubbles, get the little dryer sheet wet, and you're going to start to clean the front part of your scooter. Now this one is something really easy to make your scooter nice and clean. After you're done with the soap, you can rinse with some water, nice fresh water, and you can clean your scooter. This one will help you a lot to clean the scooter when you have lots of bugs in the front part of your scooter. This one is tip number 4. And this is trick number 5 that make your life a lot easier with your scooter. This one is a little brush that you can buy at the dollar store. It's just $1. The only thing you're going to need a bucket, a little bit of water, and a little bit of dish soap. Okay? This one, what you're going to do, just going to take this brush and we're going to cut this part right here, the top part of this brush. This one is for cleaning dishes, but this one we're going to use it to clean your wheels. Now you're just gonna, boom, you're gonna cut the lower part, get the driller, put this one on top of your driller. You see, look, this way, it's gonna make your life a lot easier to wash your wheels, clean them all with water, soap, and a little brush. Now you're just gonna make some bubbles, okay? At this point, you're just gonna clean the wheels of your scooter. Now later, when you're done cleaning them nicely, you can raise them or you can clean them with fresh water, okay? Now, like this, you're going to make your life a lot easier to clean your wheels in places where you cannot reach, they're too small. Now be careful, make sure you don't get any wires around here, because you might get tangled or you might damage in the wire of your scooter. So stay away from wires, because this one is twisting. So, but this one is great to clean your wheel of the scooter. At this point, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed these few tips that I give you today. Feel free to visit my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel anytime. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and feel free to visit my TikTok at any time. Thank you very much and have a great day.